Hey science fans! Hi, I'm Ryan from the Saskatchewan Science Centre. Thank you for joining us here today for Science at Home, where we show you how to do cool science demonstrations with things that you probably already have laying around. Now, I want you to do something for me. I want you to take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Okay, how did you do that? Like, how did you actually take that breath? Today, I'm going to show you how to build a simple model lung with only 3 things so that we can explore the science of breathing. So all that you're going to need is an empty plastic bottle and 2 balloons, and of course, some scissors. So what we'll do is we'll start by cutting the bottom off of this empty plastic bottle. I've already started this one, but it's not that difficult to do. There we go. Bottom off. And then what we're going to do is take 2 balloons. One of them is going to be the bottom. And so even though it's empty, we're going to tie it off as if it were full. And then what we're going to do is actually cut off the tip of this balloon. And the next step is to stretch this open end over the bottom of the bottle. Just like that. All right, and now with our second balloon, all that we need to do is put it into the mouth of the bottle, and then we're going to want to stretch the bead of the balloon over top of the mouth of the bottle. This can be a little bit tricky. There, that's it. We've created a model of a human lung. Now, let's see how this works. So you might think that we breathe by making our lungs bigger and smaller, but that's not exactly true. And you might also be surprised to learn that the reason that breathing works so well is actually because of physics. So you see, the atmosphere around us has a pressure of about 14.7 pounds for every square inch of our body. The reason that we don't feel that pressure so much is because there's an equal pressure inside of us that pushes back. So if I take my model lung here and I pull on the balloon on the bottom, you can watch what happens to the balloon inside. As I pull on the bottom, the balloon inflates. That's because when I stretch this bottom balloon out, I am increasing the volume in this bottle. Because the pressure has to equalize, it has to balance, more air goes into the balloon on the top. This is essentially inhaling. This blue balloon really represents our diaphragm. When I contract our diaphragm, I am increasing the volume in my chest, which allows the pressure outside to fill my lungs. Inhale, and then when I relax my diaphragm, exhale. Contract, relax. Contract, relax. Inhale, exhale. Now, once we've explained that to you, you can also feel that same principle in your body. Just put your hand on your chest and take a deep breath, and you can feel the volume of your chest expanding. And what does that have to do with physics? Well, this principle of behavior of gas is known as Boyle's Law, and you can read a little bit more about that in the description below. Well, thank you so much for joining me here today for Science at Home. I hope that you really enjoyed this. If you'd like to learn more about great science demonstrations that you can do at home, please visit us on the web at sasksciencecentre.com. Hey, if you enjoyed this, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to our channel. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about science, why don't you click on this link here for another great science demo. Thanks!